As you all know that CBSE has introduced a new guideline for conducting the examination for the session 21-22. So keeping in mind the guidelines of the CBSE, we at MBD have launched a new question bank in the name of MBD Sure Shot. This question bank is based on the guidelines that the CBSE has given regarding the term 1 and term 2 examination. So this book is going to help you to prepare for your term 1 examination. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what all we have in this book for you, and I will be explaining to you about how you have to approach your examinations for English and how this book is going to help you to prepare English. So let's begin. What all we have in this book? First, it is based on the CBSE guidelines. It has revision notes. So basically, if we talk about English, it will be the summary of the chapter, the central idea of the chapter, or the poem that will be provided in the book. Then you will have exercises that will include all type of MCQs that are introduced by the CBSE. So all of those will be there. So it will help you to understand your topics in a much better way. There will be different types of questions for different subjects. So for some subjects, there will be case-based questions. Some subjects will have source-based questions or assertion type of questions. Depending on the subject, there will be different types of questions available. At the end of the chapter, you will have a self-assessment test or a self-evaluation, which will help you to assess your understanding. Now, if we talk about English, this book is divided into 3 parts. So first is reading, then there is literature, and then there is writing skills. Reading comprehension is for 14 marks. Writing skills are for 8 marks, and literature and textbooks, which include 2 books, that is our main reader Flamingo and Vistas, which is the supplementary reader, it will be of 18 marks. Now if we talk about the first part, that is the reading, there are reading comprehensions. So as we all know, there are 2 types of reading comprehensions, type 1 and type 2. In type 2, it will include factual, discursive, descriptive, persuasive, and literary passages. So you have to read the passages and answer the question that follows. The second passage that we have is a verbal, visual inputs, data, chart, newspaper. So we can simply say that it is a factual passage or it is a case-based passage. So again, you have to read the passage and answer the questions that are given in the end of the passage. Next, we have short writing task. So writing task is mainly divided into 2 parts, that is short writing and long writing. In short writing, we will be studying about notice and advertisement. So you will study what a notice is, what is the format of the notice. If we talk about advertisement, you will know how many types of advertisements are there, how both the types of advertisements are written. So you will have a full knowledge in this section about both these short tasks. If we talk about the long task now, so we have 2 things in the long task. First is letter to the editor and second is article writing. So the book will help you in understanding the format for letter writing or understanding the format of how to write an article. So it will give you a detailed knowledge of every writing task. Now if we talk about literature, we will have the chapter, then there will be highlights of the story. So the chapter will begin with the main thought, the central idea, and the highlights of the chapter or the poem. Again, the same thing is for the poem. So you will have a brief summary of the poem. If we talk about the supplementary book, Vistas, we have the chapter. There is an introduction to the story and what are the main characters in the story. So it will give you a whole lot of information about the particular chapter. Now the poetry section will have the poem, plus after the poem there will be also some devices for poetic devices that are taught in that poem, plus other poetic devices that we normally use while we study poetry. So all the information, extra information about those poetic devices will also be available in the book. There are important extract based questions with case based questions. Then there are standalone multiple choice questions. So you will have different types of questions to approach your study on how you have to understand a particular chapter. At the end of every chapter, you will have a self-evaluation test which will have some questions for you to write. These are the questions that will be based on your understanding. So no answers are given. You have to write them on your own. Then there are other self-evaluation tests in the form of extract-based questions. So you will have an extract plus you will have the questions to go with it. So this is the book. I hope this book is going to help you in studying for your examination, and not only for English but also for all your subjects that you have in class 10th and 12th. So I hope you will have great learning time with this book and it will help you in getting better grades. Thank you.